Hello, my name is Eduardo Bertolini. I am Director of Operations at ZEN. ZEN is a Brazilian industrial company located in the city of Brusque, in Santa Catarina. We are an automotive part manufacturer for original equipment and aftermarkets. We produce more than 10 million parts per year. We supply our products in more than 60 countries, and these products are distributed to 5 continents in approximately 150 countries. The quality of our products is highly reputed in all these markets, and we are leaders in both the aftermarket as well as for original equipment. ZEN has approximately 900 employees. We are recognized as a great place to work company, where diversity and inclusion are fundamentals. Among all our product lines, our precision gear dies. We are also a market leader in this segment, although it is a very competitive market. We triggered a partnership with GF. We are able to produce our tools with a strict quality control, as well as high-dimensional quality assurance. We did several test cuts and managed to achieve it only with the FORM X 400 from GF Machining Solutions. From there, our whole process aims at delivering this level of quality.
We face several challenges in reaching the dimensional requirements of the final product because in the cold forming process, all the quality features such as tool surface and dimensions are copied with high precision onto the part. Additionally, due to high mechanical stress that are generated in the conformation process, the new machine is much faster than the technology we had, so this makes our productivity higher. The matrix requires a high performance to ensure functionality in the process. Thanks to this high dimensional accuracy, we were able to increase our competitive advantage in the formed products market segment. The tool is then developed and manufactured on another matching tool with a technology from 20 years ago, despite the fact that the requirement standards regarding feeding and accuracy are closely related to electrode wear and to the axis movement precision. It is possible to program several sequences also for big electrodes. This permits a wider range of possibilities for programming production parameters. The HMI is really helpful to generate process programs. As we started increasing the production volume, we had to take care of the quality of the profiles and the electrodes. Because of stress during erosion, surface effects are easily copied into the part. The FORM X 400 provided us with superior quality and precision and finish. With less electrode wear compared to the previous machine, we can get the same surface quality with a manufacturing time between 40 and 60% lower. This machine allows us to open up our tool production with greater technological developments. We can reach manufacturing results with a higher level of precision and surface quality, also providing shorter manufacturing times.